It's the video people have been waiting for me to make for a while. I got it in last night. So this is 3 fragrances from Fragrance Nevea. Now, what 3 fragrances did I get? Well, those of you that follow my lives, you will understand because I talk about them a lot, that I've been getting them. One of which, one of my followers has asked me to get a bottle of this for a long time. So, first one I got was Blockade from Mindgames. This is my very first mind game I've ever will smell, let alone own. Can't wait to test this out. I then got one that gets asked about all the time, Greenwich Village from bond number 9. This will be my second bond number 9. The first one I got was Brooklyn. Only lasted like 4 hours in my skin. Not a big fan of it. Love the scent. It smells incredible. Don't think it's worth the price for like 4-hour fragrance. But hopefully this one performs better. And then the one that gets asked about all the time, Parfums de Greenley. So let's test this one out. I'm going to spray Greenley on the inside of this box. I know sometimes cardboard isn't the best, but I'm running out of options where to spray stuff. So I've been told I'll like this fragrance. It's a fresh apple fragrance. It's something I should get. It's really good. I actually really like it. It's a fresh apple. Like, it doesn't smell like you just juiced an apple and you're like wearing apple juice, but the way they blend it together, the sweetness, again, I don't know the notes. I haven't looked it up. I don't like looking up notes. I like smelling it first. It just has a nice little bounce of sweetness with that beautiful apple. So like, again, think about a spring day. This may hit my spring list. Again, if I make a new one, I may add Greenley in it now. I know a lot of people said, where's Greenley? I'm like, well, I haven't smelled it. I get why you're asking where Greenley is. Oh, this is so good. Oh, shoot. I hope it performs well, because if it does, I'm going to wear this one heavily. Tell you what, I'm going to close the box, and I'm going to spray Greenwich Village. Everyone keeps talking about Mindgames. Have you smelled Mindgames? Have you smelled Mindgames? Have you smelled Mindgames? And it's always like, no, no, no. Oh, yeah, shoot. The notes are on the bottle. I always forget that Nevea does that. Okay, now I smell Greenley. The notes are green apple calabrium. I don't think I'm saying that right. Bergamot, mandarin orange. I love mandarin orange. Every fragrance has mandarin orange lately I like. Petal green, cashmerean, cedar, puma rose. Puma rose? Like what? Like the rose of a puma? Violet, oak moss, musk, and amberwood. Dang. Way to go, PDM. This is the one I'm actually looking forward to. I gotta say, the second I sprayed Blockade, it was like, oh my gosh, I can smell it right away. That is a mango heavy fragrance. Like, holy cow, mango. Like mango puree. Like whenever, oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is a beautiful fruity summer fragrance. Oh man. I can see this killing in the spring. Like when it gets at like 60-degree Fahrenheit weather, which, let's see, if you want to convert that, minus 29, that puts us at 31. And then divide that in half. So 15, 16 degrees Celsius. Once you hit that kind of range, oh, this is so good. This is so good. So again, for those of you who didn't know, if you want to convert, take the Celsius, times it by 2. So if, let's say, Celsius is 10, times it by 2, that puts it at 20. Add 29, that's 49, that's Fahrenheit. Now, it's within 1 or 2 degrees. So sometimes I've done it and the Celsius was actually 14, and I thought it was 15, but you get pretty darn close. Oh, this is so nice. I can't wait to see what this is like for the dry down, for projection, performance, because holy cow, this unfortunately is making me really like Mindgames. First one is a banger. Oof. All right, I'm gonna let that dry down, and I'm gonna put Greenwich Village on this side. I'm hoping this one's good. Come on, bond number 9. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I think it's gonna let me down. We'll see. Haven't smelled anything yet. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, dang. That smells really good. That smells really good. Oh, fudge. If this lasts, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, shoot. I may have to get a bond number 9 now. I gotta look at the notes. What am I smelling? I am smelling Lecha Cassis Mandarin orange. I'm telling you, every time mandarin orange is in it, I like it. Water. Okay. Lily, peony. I always say that wrong. I know I say that wrong. Jasmine, ambroxan, praline, vanilla, musk, and oak moss. Wow, this is good. Oh, this is just a sweet fragrance though. This is super sweet. Like when you want to talk about like a unisex fragrance, this is a unisex fragrance. Like this is a perfectly leaning unisex. Now again, this is all first impressions, people, of these three fragrances. I'll give them wears. I'll let you know later what I think about them. But for now, these are all first impressions. But oh, this is the right balance. A guy can wear it, a girl can wear it. Perfectly right down the middle. Way to go, Bond number 9. Way to go. I'm liking this. Now again, Brooklyn I like too. Didn't like performance. So hopefully this performs better because man, this is good. Oh, that Mind Games is so good. Whew, so good. I may have to buy more from Nevaeh this way. I can do 3 reviews on 1 box. Dang, that apple is so good. Like, way to go. Way to go. Oh, I just realized I did not read out Mind Games. So, Blockade is mango, tomato leaf, bergamot, pink pepper, mango blossom, watery cyclamen. I know I said that wrong. I apologize. Lavender, star something. Patchouli, amber, suede, agarwood. Man, that's so good. What is that star? Star? I don't know. I can't read it. I can't read it. But so far, I'm digging all 3. Cannot wait to wear them. Honestly, all 3 smell like they'd be perfect for the spring, which is the season I'm getting ready to hit. So excited to test them out more, wear them, and do follow-up reviews. So can't wait to keep you guys informed and updated on these 3 fragrances. So again, we got Greenley, I got Blockade, and I got Greenwich Village. So excited to add these to the collection and start wearing them more often. So again, this is Nubs Fragrance. Thank you so much for following the channel. Can't wait to talk to you in the future.